Okay, I've got a Series 500 Kenmore, and we're having a noise. What I'm finding is this bottom cover is chewed up. It has been chewed up by the belt, and the belt, I've taken the belt off, but the reason is that the pulley has worn completely out. Some of the noise that I was getting was this sound right here. While it was trying to wash. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to find a pulley and the little ratchet kit, the little pulley kit right here. But that seems to be the only problem with it. Doesn't seem to be anything other than that. But there you go. If you get a noise that sounds like that while it's trying to rock or while it's trying to agitate, you can pretty much believe that you've got a problem. You can see how much slack is in that, and yet the nut's not loose. So that's probably going to be it.